iPad beatmaking.com 808 engine for NanoStudio 2 is really cool because it's like having a built-in 808 plugin right at your fingertips. Even though iPad beatmaking trap kits come with tons of 808s, the 808 engine really allows you to make them your own. Say you want to change the attack. It's easy. You just change the parameter. Say you want to change the release so that you don't need to hold the key down for the 808 to keep playing, or maybe you want the 808 to stop playing as soon as you release the key. Again, all it is turning the 808 engine's release knob and you're good. The drive section really allows you to make your 808s come to life by adding power, distortion, and character to them. Cutoff acts like a high-pass filter, allowing you even more power over your 808s, which can even give them a lo-fi vibe. And having control over the glide times of each 808 gives them a whole new degree of usability. iPad beatmaking.com 808 engine. It's featured in all the iPad beatmaking.com trap kits for NanoStudio 2. Be sure to check them out. Peace.